Alright everybody, here's another video brought to you by my pro detailer. As you can see, this van looks like it was dragged out of the swamp. It is by far one of the most challenging trucks that I am going to be tackling here at my pro detailer. Wanted to make a video of it because it is by far a completely mess. I mean, it is something in which obviously words cannot express how bad this thing is. Go back here, and you can see that even the back seats are in pretty bad shape. We'll try to see if we can get a feeling for what the back really, oh my goodness, it's just one surprise after another. It is gonna be a challenge, but I'm gonna give it my world. Basically try to get as much as possible done to this van for one of my customers. He entrusted me that I will be able to take care of this and make it look as good as possible. And believe me, I'm up for the challenge. Here at my pro detailer, I take cars like this and make them look as good, if not even better than new. And you're probably saying to yourself, no freaking way will he be able to do anything with this truck. But we'll see. The next video that I post is actually going to show what this van, and the outside is not that bad. It's got a little rust there, but given how the inside is, it is actually very nice looking. Again, this video brought to you by my pro detailer.